So with Shibaswap coming out, we're going to have a crazy feature coming with Bone, Shiba's new token that's only going to be exclusive to Shibaswap, and we're going to talk about that today and what I think is going to happen with this token, and is it going to be like Leash, is it going to be like Shib, and pretty much just talk about everything, because with the release of Shibaswap coming out in like, I don't know, I guess the next week or so, we have a lot to discuss for new and old members. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. I post there daily, little plays here and there, and as well as check out my Discord. I literally just discounted the price only for 1 day. Basically, if you struggle with coins and you don't know what to invest in, I do all the hard work for you. I make the coins very easy to find. I post them in my page call section, and pretty much you can just follow any plays I make. Yesterday we did a couple 3 or 4 X's, and occasionally every single week we'll get like 100X in that big huge gem. So we're calling out coins daily. My coin, my personal coin, drops next week, so only my paid members in the chat will get access to it. So it's really cheap. The chat's awesome, and it'll make you a lot more money in return for what you're investing in. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video. So like I said, Bone is a little bit different than the other coins. You got Shib, you got Leash, and now you'll eventually have Bone with the release of Shibaswap. Now what this means is that we're gonna go absolutely crazy with the stuff that we're gonna be doing. Pretty much Bone has a bunch of different features. I'll list a couple on the screen right now. For one, you'll be able to vote in the future. For instance, like if there's a big proposal or a big event happening, the Shib army will be able to vote with how much Bone they're actually holding. The more Bone you hold, the more Shib you hold, will give you more power in your voice, which is kind of cool, I think. But other than that, there's a ton of other features that are going to come out with Bone. Specifically, in fact, that you can actually bury your Shib to get X Shib, you can bury your Leash to get X Leash, and then you can bury your Bone to get plus Bone. I think that's a cross or something. But the whole point of this is it's going to be absolutely crazy because it's only exclusive to Shibaswap. So it's not going to be like its own coin per se, how some of these meme coins are. It's going to be exclusively through Shibaswap, which I predict it'll skyrocket the first day. Like I think a lot of people are going to be trying to get this Bone. And it's just really interesting because if you think about it, Leash, I called Leash when it was like, I think under $100, and now it's literally in the thousands. And that is exclusive to Shiba. Like that is literally Shiba's token. And it's wild that that's even a thing. And Bone obviously is going to work a little bit different, but I still think it has massive potential in the Shib community because we're such a like strong community in general. Like literally the Shib army is literally way bigger than any other army I've seen. With meme coins, it's such a passionate group of people, and I don't know, I wanted to make this video just to kind of bring awareness to new Shib holders because there is something huge coming out in a couple of weeks when Shibaswap does eventually drop, and just to be on the lookout because you guys want to read the wolf paper. I'm not going to go over everything in this video because that would just be stupid. I'm really late because the wolf paper 2.0 just came out like probably a little over a week ago. I'll link that in the bottom of the description too. There's a lot of interesting reads. It goes over bury, it goes over the staking feature and the dig feature, the Bone feature, pretty much everything. And I'll link that, like I said, in the description below. You can go read it. It's worth the read if you're a Shib holder because this is just going to be big for us in general. So I just wanted to bring this video, like I said, to bring awareness to the new people. Obviously the old people know about Bone. We're all very experienced. We know what we're talking about with this stuff because we've been literally waiting on this for the longest time. So if that's something that you're interested in, definitely check out the wolf paper down below. I'm really excited. I've been posting videos every single day here, so if you did enjoy and you enjoy daily Shib news and just other meme coins, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow my Instagram. You might as well. I post plays there a lot of the time. Oh, the wasp almost stung my face. And as well as check out my Discord because like I said, it's literally only discounted for 1 day, and if you want in, now's the time for sure. You'll save some money, you'll make a lot of money, and you'll get into my coin really early. So I love you guys so much. Really quick video. I like these short quick videos, dude. I've said it multiple times, but I'll see you guys in the next one.